Sophia, founder of Soda Global Marketing. Welcome to our Marketing Tips series video. Today, I'm going to introduce you top 5 WeChat marketing strategies. If you are new and you are looking for the best practices for grow your business in China, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell. You won't miss a thing. WeChat is simply the best marketing tool for your business in China. No matter what business size you are, micro, small, or big. It doesn't matter what industries you are in, with 1.3 Chinese WeChat users, which are occupied by 92.8% of the total Chinese population. Chances are your customers are on WeChat. In this video, I'm going to lay out the ultimate WeChat marketing strategy for your business in 2022 or in next 12 months. Let's get it.
WeChat official account is like the business page on Facebook. It is not one personal account which is used for chatting with friends. WeChat official account is for presenting your branding contents. You can link personal WeChat account to act as admin or editors.
Number 1. Register a WeChat official account. If you are located outside China and you want to promote your business in China, the first step is to create one WeChat official account and verify it.
Document you need to prepare for WeChat official account registration and verification as your business license. You need to prepare the certificate which can show your company name, legal person, registration date and registration address to apply for verification. There are different types of WeChat official account, but for foreign companies, you can only choose service account to verify, so make sure you have registered one legal entity in your local place. Soda experts have service to help all processes for you. Some customers are wondering whether foreign company verified official account can be searched out by Chinese users located in China? Of course yes, the WeChat official account can be listed on the search result no matter it is verified by China domestic company or non-China company license.
Number 2. Do a content positioning for your new WeChat official account. What do you want to make your new WeChat official account look like?
WeChat platform is not same as Facebook or Instagram. If you post one article or video on Facebook or Instagram, all users can see your content if your content is for their interests. WeChat is very different. When you publish on WeChat official account, it will not be presented to everyone. Just push notifications to followers under your account only. The positioning is different based on different industries. Basically is your content need to make your audience smile, engage. Your content needs to bring value to your target audience. I like a content marketing theory provide value 10 times before you ask audience to buy. Most people do the opposite. They ask people 10 times to buy and only give them value once. That's the wrong way to do the content. Normally we use 3 types of positioning. First one is entertainment, second one educational, third one news sharing and analysis. Entertainment means fun, hot trending stories or any interesting things around us. Try to relate some points with your business. Educational is the knowledge related to your business. Educate your target audience what are their problems and how you help them to solve. News sharing and analysis are related to your industry. Shows the potential of your business to help on the problems related the news.
Number 3. Design layout positioning.
WeChat article has special presence, since it is a long article which can show different styles. Normally we use multiple section style or one section style. Design style should depend on the topic and your brand v. Soda social media expert has rich experience to handle different styles of design layout on WeChat article. Right design layout will attract more attentions from your audience.
Number 4. Regular publication. Remember, you need to publish your WeChat article regularly, for example, like every Thursday 7 p.m. China time.
WeChat allows to publish 4 times per month. Make good use of them. If you don't publish regularly, your audience will assume, what happened to this brand? Are they still reliable? Select one fixed time and date. Publish your content regularly. You will win your followers step by step.
Number 5. Engage with your followers. This is a common operation for all the social platforms. It is also same on WeChat. You need to be active with your followers. If your WeChat official account receives any likes, sharing, or comments, do not forget to reply to them.
WeChat will recommend the account which has higher engagement activity. There is another important feature on WeChat is the chatting. The message shows on your WeChat admin platform is valid for only 5 days. Remember to check your admin platform every day to make sure you will not miss any message from your follower or potential followers.
Above are the top 5 important WeChat marketing strategy. Right now, I would like to give you the extra bonus strategy for thanking you to watch this video until now. Organic traffic on WeChat official account is more and more difficult. How your WeChat article can get more exposure?
Number 1. Share your article to your own WeChat group, your WeChat moment, or invite your friend, partner to share in their groups or moment. Number 2. WeChat advertising. WeChat advertising is open to some countries. You can check with SOTA social media team to know whether your business license can be working to open one advertising account on WeChat. If so, that will help your account to reach your target audience more directly. There are 2 types of advertising, cost by click or cost by impression. You can choose the way you need based on your budget. Number 3. Make one WeChat only offer for your followers. If your followers click the link from your WeChat article or contact with WeChat official account chat, they can get special discount for their product or service in a limited amount of time. Of course, you can set some other ways to encourage, like your followers share your article to get 30 likes at least, then they can get this special reward. If they don't take the offer, you can simply retarget them with providing them with other sets or more valuable pieces of content and then ask again and make another offer.
This is basically the formula for the ultimate marketing strategy for WeChat. Now is a question for you today. How you make a very special offer on WeChat official account to attract for your current or your potential followers? Put them in the comments below. It's all for WeChat marketing strategy tutorial today. SOTA is providing the one-stop service for business setting, digital marketing, and sales service in China. That's why I would like to share you the marketing tips, the Chinese culture, and business insights in our channels. If you have any suggested topic, you can leave it below in our comment side. Thank you very much for watching. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe our channel and ring the bell. You won't miss a thing.